Want to crack the code to YouTube success? Tip 1. Optimize your title and thumbnail. Show a split screen of an eye-catching thumbnail and title being created in Canva or Photoshop. First up, your title and thumbnail are everything. Make sure your title is clear, intriguing, and keyword-rich. Pair it with a bold, high-quality thumbnail that pops. The goal: stop that scroll. For example, instead of "How to bake a cake," try "Bake the perfect cake in 10 minutes." Tip 2. Use trending topics. Insert a clip of someone searching trending on YouTube or browsing social media hashtags. Next, ride the wave of trending topics. Check out YouTube trends, Twitter, or TikTok to see what's hot. Then, create a video that adds your unique spin. Timing is everything, so jump on trends fast. Tip 3. Engage in the first 30 seconds. Cut to a montage of creators engaging their audience with hooks like "Did you know?" or "You need to see this." Grab attention immediately. Use a strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Ask a question, share a shocking fact, or promise something valuable. If viewers leave early, YouTube's algorithm won't push your video. Tip 4. Share everywhere. Show clips of videos being shared on social media platforms like Instagram Stories, Reddit, and Facebook groups. Don't rely on YouTube alone. Share your video link on all your platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, you name it. The more eyes, the better. Bonus tip. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Show an example of a short-form video getting tons of views. Here's the bonus tip. Use YouTube Shorts. Short-form content is booming, and the algorithm loves pushing it. Tease your main video in a 15-second short and link viewers to the full video in the description. Now it's your turn to shine. Apply these tips to your next video and watch the views roll in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. Let's grow together.